right, special thanks to XREXS for sending us this large digital wall clock. Now, you can see you got a little bit of information up here in the corner, count up and down timer, button memory timer, 12 and 24 hour dual use. It can be on the desktop or the wall. Day display, temperature, calendar, Celsius and Fahrenheit, snooze, and temp display. So nothing to really show you around the box. Looks like we got the red one in terms of color. So let's open it up, take a look at it, and wow. So this one comes with an included remote to help you set some of that information. That's pretty nice. Foam, this power cable, yeah, this looks to be, well, that's really it for the box. So in here is your little power cable. Looks like it comes with a pretty nice long cable to be able to plug it in. And once you remove this plastic off here, you can plug this in anywhere you have a power up. Now let's look at the actual item here. So this one does have Wi-Fi, it's showing. And you can see here, this tells you almost everything you would need to know about setting alarms, how to use it, etc. Then this is of course for mounting it. So you can put this on your wall, drill your holes in, and make sure it'll fit. Now, if we actually look at the actual item here, nothing around the edges it looks like, everything's on the back. So on the back, we have a little XREXS logo. We have a little battery compartment, very nice. And this is also where your power goes in. So you plug in your power cable here and then run your cable either way that you need it there. If you're wall mounting, those are there. And then here's all your buttons, your snooze, your set, 12, 24, etc. All the buttons are right here. And the brightness can either be set to auto, low, or high. So that's pretty helpful. And then this is of course just your stand. So that way if you want to use this as a desktop, you can do just that. And no, it's not how this looks. It's nice and clean, as you can see when you peel this off of there. Very nice. So there we go, that'll do it for this XREXS large wall clock unboxing. Again, thanks to XREXS, they've sent me a handful of products to create unboxings for, and so here is another one. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.